Hello kids, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Now we'll start our English class. Before start our English class, begin with the school prayer. I hope you have remembered that school prayer. Okay, so start with school prayer. Oh God, our loving Father, we thank you for granting us the grace to begin this day. Be with us at school and wherever we go. Fill us with your strength that we may live well. Keep us alert in all that we do, sharpen our memories and enlighten our minds. Bless our parents, sisters and teachers. As we live and learn together, help us to be kind and gentle in our conduct, so that with others we may build a better tomorrow. So, in our last class, we have learned about pronoun. Today we'll continue pronoun. So first of just recap the pronoun. Pronoun. What date is today? Today is 27th of July 2020. And what day is today? Today is Monday. Pronoun. Pronoun. We have already learned that pronoun is a word that takes the place of noun, that take the place of naming words. Pronoun is a word that takes the place of noun or naming words. So, which pronoun we have to learn? He, she, it, he, she, it, I, we and they. We have to learn these pronouns. Okay. Now, I told you about he. We have already done he. Where we have to use he? We use he with boy. Where we use he? We use he with boy, brother, father, uncle, grandfather. Grandfather. Where we use with uncle, with father, with brother, with boy and with grandfather. Where we use he? We use he with boy, brother, father, uncle and grandfather. We use he with boy. We use he with boy. Boy. He. So, now you understood. You can use he with your father, with your brother, with your friend if he is a boy, with your friend, with your grandfather, with your uncle, okay? And man also. You can use he with man, any man, okay? Man. Man. Okay, now today I'll start he. He, I am already done. Now we'll start she. She. Girl. Girl. We use she with girl. She. Where we use she? We use she with girl. You can use she with your mother, your sister, your aunt, woman and girl. We use she with girl. So, where we use she, sister, girl, mother, mama, grandmother, aunt. So, where you use she with your sister, girl, aunt, grandmother, mother and woman also. You can use she with woman. Woman. Mother. So where we use she, हम she कहाँ use करेंगे? Sister, girl, aunt, grandmother, woman, mother. Suppose she. This is you just Rita. This is Rita. This is Rita. Rita is a good girl. Rita is a good girl. What kind of girl is Rita? Rita is a good girl. Rita is 5 years old. 5 years old. This is Rita. Rita is a girl. Rita is 5 years old. And so, I'm underlining the word Rita. Rita. Instead of Rita, which pronoun I have to use here? Which pronoun I have to use here instead of Rita? Which pronoun? What I'll write here? Instead of Rita, what I'll write? She. What? She. What? She. She is a. This is Rita. She is a good girl. She is a good girl and Rita is 5 years old. So, this is Rita. Rita is a good girl. Rita is 5 years old. Rita loves to eat ice cream. Rita loves to read book. So, instead of Rita, again and again I am using Rita, Rita, Rita. Which pronoun I have to use here? Have you seen why I am circle these? Because instead of Rita, I have to use pronoun. Which pronoun I have to use here? She. Which pronoun? She, because Rita is a girl. She, 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 she. Which pronoun I have to use instead of Rita? She. Which pronoun? She. Okay. Girl. So now which pronoun we have to use for girl? Mother, grandmother, auntie, your sister. Which pronoun we have to use? She. Which pronoun? She. Now again I'll tell you. So now we can just read it together. This is Rita. This is Rita. She is a good girl. She is 5 years old. She loves to eat ice cream. She loves to read books. Okay. Next. Now, do you remember I, he, and she? And he. She, he. Now look. I, she, he. I, she, he. I, she, he. I is used for, I am using I for myself. So, I, she, he. I, she, he. Now you got it? Next. Now we will learn about it. It. We use it with things. Things. Suppose this is doll. This is also what? Think now. This is a doll. And this doll has 2 eyes. Beautiful eyes. And curly hair. Pretty dress. So what I use for this doll? This is the doll. And her name is Dolly. So, Dolly. It has a beautiful eyes, beautiful lips. It has 2 hands, 2 legs, and it has curly hair. So, it. This is it. We use it for doll. And next I'll show you. We can use. This is giraffe. Giraffe is an animal. We use it with animals also. So this is a giraffe, and giraffe is this animal is very tall now. So giraffe is a tall animal, and giraffe is a wild animal. So we use it for giraffe. Again and again I am using giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. Instead of using giraffe, what I have to use here? It. This is a giraffe, and it is a tall animal, and giraffe is a wild animal now, so it is a wild animal. It is a tall animal, it is a wild animal, and giraffe lives in a jungle, zoo also. So it lives in a jungle, it lives in a zoo also. So we use, just keep in mind, we use it with animals also. One more I'll just show you. Not with giraffe, with all animals we have to use it. Now this is a lion. lion. You heard about this animal before also. So this is a lion and it is a king of jungle. Yes, it is a king of jungle and it is a wild animal. It is a wild animal. So we use with animal also. We use with animal also what? We use animal also it. Now I'll show you. Do you know what is this? Do you know what is this? This is what? This is a fish. So this is fish. It lives in water. Now my fish is not swimming in water. Actually it is a toy fish. So we use it with fish also. We use it with fish also. It is a colorful fish and we use it with animals, birds, fruits, vegetables and with things also. Okay, we use it with things also. This is a marker. This is what? This is a marker and it is black in color. This is a white board. This is also thing. White board is also thing. It is a white in color. It is a white board and it is white in color. Okay, and I'll show you this. This is a duster. This is what? Duster. It is a duster and teacher uses it for erase. Na? I am using it for what? Erase. So we use with all things it. We use it with all things. So now you remember where we use it. We use it with things, with toys, with animals, with fruits, birds and places also. We use it with places also. Places. Okay, where we have to use it, हम it कहाँ use करेंगे? Animals के साथ, toys के साथ, things के साथ. Things means चीजें. किसी भी चीज के साथ हम it use करते हैं. Places के साथ birds and fruits. So we use it with animals, toys, things, places, birds and fruits. And it is a pronoun. Which pronoun I am using with this marker? I am using which pronoun? It. Which pronoun I am using with this board? I am using it with board. Which pronoun I am using with this fish? It. Which pronoun I am using with this animal? With all animals we have to use which pronoun? It. Okay. Now we'll do next. Okay. We use with fruits also it. Mango. It is a mango. Toy. We use it with for toy also because toys are also things, na? So we use it with things like cup, glass, toy, mango, and this is a pencil box. It is green in color. We can use with this also it. Okay. Now let's recap everything. Where we use it. With pencil box we use it, and with toy doll we use it with this doll also, and we can use it with this candle also. This is a candle, so we use it. It is a candle. It is a beautiful candle. And we can use it with this marker also. We can use it with this animals. That means with animal also we have to use it. And with birds also. Okay. Now let's recap. Okay. Come here. Okay. Now recap the pronoun. I, stand here. Stand here. I, he, she. I, he, she and it. I, he, she it. I, he, she, it. So I think you now understood very well where you have to use he, where you have to use she, where you have to use I and it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.